as we talked about on an earlier video, that I was at demonstration where the instructor had to use a rubber mallet to open up the machine. Now you can see there's some frost on the unit, and watch this little trick. Wow, look how easy that was.
Muscled that right up.
Oh yeah, my 6-year-old granddaughter could have got that with no problem.
That's a smooth, creamy product.
That heavy cream makes a difference. I always, when I'm pulling the unit, pulling the product, I always open the gate a little bit so I can control the flow. Because if I didn't do that, I wouldn't be able to keep up with how fast it's coming out.
You want to fill, you don't want to have any air pockets.
No voids.
In the tub.
When I'm the customer, I want a full plate of everything. And I do my best.
In your pan, you're going to have air pockets in somebody's cup.
I do my best to fill everything so my customer gets the best value. Okay. Got it. Now, when this is coming out, now I'll open up the gate all the way and never ever do this. Never ever do it. He gets mad. He gets a.
Can't watch. Can't even look. Can't look. Tell me when it's over.
It's over. Again, if your shop is busy and you're selling that whole pan out today, then you can use this as samples, or you can use this for gelato pops, or you can use it to make a gelato cake. And now you've already paid for the batch. You've already paid for the batch, and you're going to make a gelato cake. In theory, you're making this cake for no money. Okay? So you're making the cake with the overage. So if you have 6-8 flavors, you can probably make 4 cakes.